July 12, 1862. Congress authorized the Medal of Honor, the United States military's highest decoration. What they do not teach you, black soldiers had to fight just to be allowed to die for this country. The 54th Massachusetts Infantry, the Buffalo Soldiers, the Tuskegee Airmen, they bled for a flag that did not fully claim them back. It took until 1997, 135 years later, for 7 black World War II veterans to finally receive the Medal of Honor they earned on the battlefield. Vernon Baker was the only one still alive to receive it in person. The other 6 were awarded posthumously. Their families accepted medals for men who died still waiting. Here is the weight: these men defended democracy abroad while living under Jim Crow at home. They fought Hitler's racism in Europe and came home to American racism at the front door. The comedy that is not funny: Germany was rebuilt with the Marshall Plan. Black veterans came home to redlining. The build: know what your ancestors carried so you understand the weight you were handed. You are not starting from zero. You are continuing something enormous. Keep pushing always. You are KPA Rare. KPA Black Edition SVL Guardian, July 12, 2026.